Wordplay presents How to Upload Custom Backgrounds into Toonly. Hello everyone, this is Teacher Keith with Wordplay Tech in Teaching, and today I wanted to show you one of Toonly's new features, how to upload a custom background into Toonly. So we open up Toonly. I'm currently in version 1.2.4. It came out just 1 or 2 days ago. I am an enterprise user, but this also works in standard as well. Just go up to the top left, click on backgrounds here. You'll see it highlighted in orange. Click on upload new object. Now I've saved some files already. I'm going to go ahead and click on my PNG file. Click open. You can rename it or leave it as it is. Save and upload. Now this does work as JPEG. I tried earlier, but it took longer. PNG I think is just more friendly with Toonly, so it loads a bit faster. Okay, now you can take a look here and you see in my background section I have Galaxy PNG. Just click, drag, drop, let it load, and before you know it, you'll have a beautiful background ready to go. And there you have it. There is your custom background uploaded into Toonly. This is an amazing feature, super exciting. Personally, I have hundreds or thousands of backgrounds downloaded from sites for Photoshop and for InDesign, Illustrator, whatnot. And now I can very easily import those backgrounds into Toonly and have basically unlimited options to make the background. Amazing feature, love it. Toonly is always updating. If you have any questions about setting a custom background in Toonly or any other questions about Toonly, please leave a comment below or shoot me a message. As always, thank you for listening and following along.